Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, it's me Fatma Khalid. Today I am going to the interview of a motivational speaker, very well known as Nana Professor Hammad Safi. He is with us today. Assalamu alaikum Hammad.
Wa alaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm good.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
So most of the people want to know what's your exact age and which class you're studying.
My age is 12. I'm 12 years old and I'm studying in 7th grade.
So what do you feel when people call you Nana Professor?
I feel really good, and I do not call myself a little professor. People call me little professor by their love and affection.
Okay. So what is the role of your parents and teachers in development of your personality?
See, basically, there is always a role of parents and teachers behind someone, a successful person. So I first of all thank my teachers, and then I thank my parents because they did support me, they supported me, and my parents allowed me to studies, and my teachers helped me to find my potentials and my abilities and to work on those potentials.
Okay. So what do you feel when you gave your first lectures in university?
I was a little scared. It's a human nature. Everyone gets scared when they face audience or when they face these kind of activities first time. So it was really challenging for me. But I faced it, alhamdulillah, and I was a little scared, but after that I practiced and then I became fine.
Okay. So what do you feel when you give lectures in universities and colleges?
I feel really good, and I try to meet, it is new experience for me, and I meet lots of new people, and and I'm able to see a new environment, and I'm able to experience new people, and I'm able to experience a new city, and I'm able to visit them and to study about them.
So how many times you have given lecture in university?
I've given countless lectures. I have not counted them still.
You have not counted them still. So what are your feelings that now you are sitting on this seat and now you are a very big man?
I feel good and teaching other people and inspiring them, basically, not motivating them, inspiring them. I feel really good, and I try my level best to inspire the youth of Pakistan, and I try my level best to aware them about the challenges which they are going to face in their lives.
In your Facebook page, you have mentioned that you're inspired from Qaid Azam and Allama Iqbal.
Exactly.
So what inspiration did you get from both of them?
See, a person who wants to do something in a field needs an inspiration and needs a role model. So basically in this field, my role model is Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and I'm inspired from him, and I'm following and I'm studying his philosophy, and he's my role model, I can say.
So what is your favorite poetry of Allama Iqbal?
My favorite poetry, the favorite poetry of Allama Iqbal is मेरा तरीका मेरी नहीं फ़कीरी है खुदी ना बेच गरीबी में नाम पैदा कर. So I'm really inspired from it.
What does those words mean?
It means that मेरा तरीका मेरी नहीं फ़कीरी है खुदी ना बेच गरीबी में नाम पैदा कर, कि आपने वसाइल के ऊपर that you should not believe on resources. You should work on those resources which you have. You have to work on those facilities and in that environment which you have. You have to create a new environment from yourself, and you have to work on your khudi. You have to work on the power of faith, I can say.
Okay, Hammad Safi, tell me this, that what is the idea behind the Super Kid program?
Basically, in Super Kid program, we work on the personal capacities of the children, personal capacity, and we try to find the potential of them, and we work on their personality building, and we work on their character building. And a Super Kid is the one who is disciplined, and it has lots of its own qualities.
Isn't every kid a super kid?
Every kid is a super kid, but if he finds his potential, and if he, I can say, if he works on his strengths and if he finishes his weaknesses.
Okay, Hammad Safi, if anyone wants to be another Hammad Safi like you, what tips he should use?
The steps for them is, I would suggest them to select a dream for themselves first of all, and secondly to focus on that dream and focus on that target, and then try to divide that target for him in short-term goals. And then I would like to suggest them that they have to make themselves calculated, because if you do not work on time management and if you do not properly manage your time, so I can say the time which you are wasting in other activities won't come back. So you have to use your time positively, and I would like to suggest them that don't think about the past, because your present will be your future. So work on your present, don't be deviated. If someone tries to deviate you from your I can say from your journey or from your vision, and if someone tries to demotivate you, do not focus on them. Focus on your dream and try to learn a lot and try to experience a lot.
Okay, Hammad Safi, in the last I want to say, if you want to give any message.
Yes, my message for the youth of Pakistan and for all of the viewers who are watching us now is that work on your timetable, make yourself calculated, and try to extend the boundaries of your knowledge and try to gain more knowledge you can, and try to go for newer venues, go for browsing, search from Google, learn from YouTube, cause I can say that they are the mysteries of knowledge, they are the treasures of knowledge. So learn from Google and try to use technology in a positive way, and try to aware others also the things which you are learning or the things which you have learned. Try to aware others also. Thank you.
Thank you, Hammad Safi, for giving us time. Today we were having Hammad Safi, a motivational speaker. So thank you for giving us time. And like he told us that think positive and all that. So till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.